Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing shrimp fried rice, and on top of it we're just gonna put some salmon in, on top of our fried rice after it's cooked. So as you can see, I already did chicken fried rice, so all the stuff that you see are recently used. So yes, okay. So here, like I said, recently used, so I'm doing like back-to-back videos and things. So here what you will need is some onion and some shrimp. I'm not gonna take the shells out of it, I'm just gonna leave it there, and some mixed vegetables. So this is the salmon leftover juice. That's what I'm going to be using as my stir fry. So there's a lot of seasoning into this, so that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put my oil. So I'm going to turn my stove on to medium. Just like that. And then I'm going to put this mixture in. This is just peppers, onion, Maggi, garlic, and seasoned salt. That's all it is. I have a full recipe on my channel, how to season your salmon. So that's the same recipe here. This is just the salmon juice I'm using. I'm going to use a little bit of ginger paste. So now we're going to be using our ingredients into this mixture. I have my seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, curry powder, Maggi, and paprika. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp. And now I'm gonna enter my rice. If you're wondering what kind of shrimp I use, it's already been seasoned. It comes in this thing here. So you can pick this one up at Acme or Giant. So this is Giant and it costs that. And that's the rest of it. So you can use any shrimp that you want to use. Raw shrimp, it doesn't really matter. But I just have this in my house. So I'm gonna add my shrimp to the mixture. I'm gonna add all of it. It's shrimp fried rice. It's that looks so good, y'all. Don't it? So I'm gonna cover this up a little bit so that the steam will get into the rice and give me that crust. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So this is how the rice is looking. That's that crust right there, guys, I'm looking for. Look at that. So you guys, I was gonna top it up with some salmon that I made earlier, but you don't have to do it the way I do it. You can do any kind of way that you want to do it. So, oops, just like that. And then again, like I said, you don't have to. This is just a plain shrimp fried rice. Then anybody can make if you have the shrimp at home. But just to take it up a notch a little bit, I'm going to add just a little piece of salmon. Again, this is optional. You don't have to. Voila. So guys, this is it. Like I said, you don't have to, but this looks so delicious, and it also tastes delicious. So there you go. Happy Sunday, you all. I thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.